Good morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter algebra. So dear children, take your third chapter note and write it down. In previous class, 2 questions I gave homework, isn't it? Shall we check? Take your note, take your homework note and check it. Exercise 3.1 third sum. Find the degree of the following polynomial. Okay. Then fourth sum is what's the degree? You find out. Which is the highest power? That's the degree. Okay. Then fifth sum also here p power. What's the variable here? P, isn't it? Then p power 4, p cube, then p square is there, isn't it? Then here which is the highest power? 4 is the highest power. That's the degree. Okay. Then fourth sum, subdivision 1. Fourth sum is rewrite the following polynomial in standard form. Okay. First one is then standard form. How we can write? And descending power or ascending power we have to write. Okay. Here first one and I written here descending power. Okay. Which is the highest power of this variable x cube, isn't it? That x cube term first you should write it. Then afterwards x square term. Then afterwards x term, then constant term. Or two methods we can write. Okay. Descending, this is descending power, then this one ascending power. Okay, descending power means greatest number to smallest number. Okay, here ascending power means or smallest power to greatest power. Okay, then two methods also we can write. Okay, if you write any one method also, no problem. Okay, second one. Here x power 4 is the highest power. Then afterwards x cube term you write it. Then x square term. Then afterwards x power 1 term. Okay. Then reverse order you should write it. Then next one. Third subdivision also like that. Okay. Third subdivision. The order only here given. No need to change. Here x cube term. Then x square term. Then x and constant. Okay. This is descending power. And then ascending power, suppose if you want to write means first this minus 1 write it, then afterwards 4x, then x square term, then x cube term. Did you check the answer? Next we are going to see addition of polynomials. Addition of polynomials. Okay. Then example 3.4, if p of x is equal to one polynomial is given and q of x is equal to another polynomial is given, then find p of x plus q of x. How you will read this one? P of x plus q of x. Okay. Then usually polynomial means we will denote what? P of x, q of x, r of x. Okay. Then z of x, like that we can take. Okay, here p of x and q of x is given. Okay, here ordinary addition you know, isn't it? Like that only this one also. Okay, then only like term can be added. This what polynomial? Okay, like term only we can add and subtract also. Okay, any two polynomial is also a polynomial. Sum of these two polynomial. Okay, sum of these two polynomial. Then what's the answer? What we will get? That is also polynomial. Have understood? Then p of x plus q of x, one polynomial we will get, isn't it? And that polynomial also that is the polynomial. Okay. Like term only we can add. How is it? For example, then 3x square, then plus 5x square. Okay. here these two are like term. Okay, these two like term we can add, isn't it? Then what's the value you'll get? Here 3, what's the coefficient of x square? 3, isn't it? 3 plus this, what's the coefficient of here x square? 5. Okay, common x square. Then equal to 3 plus 5 is 8, isn't it? 8 x square. Have you understood? Like that. And then unlike terms, can you add? No, we cannot add. Shall we check? Here 5 x cube, then and 10 x square. Okay, these two can you add? No, we cannot add, isn't it? Why? Here x power 3, here x square. Like term only we can add or subtract. Okay, this one we cannot add. But like term, here x term, suppose here 2x plus 3x equal to what's the answer we will get? 2 plus 3 is 5. Then common x, isn't it? Then 5x we will get. Okay, like the ordinary addition, subtraction only. Here next we are going to see subtraction also. Okay, subtraction means what it will come here. That time I will explain. Okay, first we have to write a given polynomial. 2 polynomial given, that 2 polynomial write it. Okay, here p of x is equal to, here this is not given in the standard form, isn't it? First we have to write in the standard form. Then standard form, how we can write, which is the greatest power, and then 2x cube, isn't it? Then this term together we have to write. Okay, then afterwards what? Here 4x square is there, isn't it? Plus 4x square, then minus 3x plus 5. Okay, then a q of x also write down. Okay, here x square is given, isn't it? First, which is the greatest power, and then x power 2, isn't it? That x power 2 you should not write here. Okay, then 4x square is there, isn't it? Previous polynomial, here 4x square is given, that down you should write it x square. Understood? Then afterwards plus this plus symbol, plus 2x, then plus 4. Okay, then we have to add this 2. Okay, shall we add? 5 plus 4 is 9, then plus symbol. Okay, here you see minus and plus is there, isn't it? Minus and plus is there means then both also subtract. Then big number sign you should write it. Greatest number sign you write here. Okay, then 3 minus 2 is what? 1, isn't it? Very good. 1x. 1x. Which is the greatest number sign? Here 3 is greater, isn't it? Greatest number sign is what? Minus. Have you understood? Then afterwards here 4x square. Here x square means what? 1x square. Here 1 it will come. Okay, 1x square. That means 4 plus 1 is 5. 5x square, common x square. Okay, then remaining here this plus symbol. Okay, plus, both also plus. So plus symbol write it. Then afterwards here 2x square. That, sorry, 2x cube. 2x cube. That's the answer. Have understood? Then, so what's the answer? Then p of x plus q of x is equal to 2x cube plus 5x square minus x. 1x means what? X plus 9. Have understood? Very simple this one. Is it a polynomial? Yes. Then addition of 2 polynomial is also a polynomial. This one also polynomial. That same model. Then exercise 3.1 fifth sum. One question I am giving. Okay. Add the following polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Okay. Add the following polynomials and find the degree. Degree also you should find here. Okay. Degree of the resultant polynomial. Okay. Then solution. What is given? First write it. F of x is equal to 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9. G of x. How you will read this one? G of x equal to minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. These two are polynomial, isn't it? These two polynomial. Then we have to add the following polynomial. Okay. So here you check it. 16x power 4. Which is the highest power? X power 4, isn't it? So we have to write 16x power 4. Then here x cube term not given. Okay. In that place, we have to write 0x cube. Have you understood? Any term not given means that place we have to write 0x cube. Okay. Here x cube is there missing. So 0x cube write it. Okay, then 5 minus 5x square. Then afterwards x power 4, x cube, then x square, isn't it? Next, one more term also missing in between, isn't it? X power 1. Okay, in that place also you should write it 0x. Have you understood? 0x. X means what? X power 1. Then last term is 9. 9 is the constant. Okay. Then like that, g of x also we have to write. Okay. Minus 6x cube. Where we have to write here? This one. Minus 6x cube. Where we need to write? X cube, isn't it? 0 x cube is there. Down we have to write minus. Okay. Minus 6x cube. Very clear? Then plus 7x is given. X square term not given. Okay. That place 0x square. Write it. Okay. Then afterwards 7x is there. Plus 7x. Okay. One by one you should write it. Then only addition easy for you. Okay. Minus 15. This is constant. Then these two are x term. Then x square term. This x cube term. Then x power 4. Here also we can write 0 x power 4. I did not write means also last term. No problem. Okay. Then shall we add? So add it. Okay. Then here you see plus and minus is there. So in that case, what we need to do? And we need to do what? Big number minus small number, big number sign. Then we have to subtract. Okay. Then subtract this two. Then highest number, which is the greatest number, that sign we have to write. Okay. Then 15 minus 9 is, let's say 15 minus 9 is what? 6, isn't it? Very good. 6. Right. Here greatest number sign is what? Minus. That minus we have to write. Very clear? Then afterwards here both also plus. Then no problem. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7x. Then this positive symbol plus. Okay, here minus 5x square plus 0x square. Okay, here that means minus 5 plus 0 is what? Minus 5 only we will get. Okay, minus 5x square. Then 0 no value, isn't it? So here plus is there, here minus is there. Okay, this to add means what value we will get? Minus 6x cube. Minus 6x cube. Then this one 16x power 4 also we have to write. Okay, that is the required answer. Okay, the required polynomial. Okay, then so write the answer here. F of x plus g of x is equal to 16x power 4, then minus 6x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 6. Okay. Here one more question also they asked, isn't it? Find the degree of the resultant polynomial. This is the resultant polynomial. Understood? Then which is the highest degree? Highest power? That's the degree. Okay. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is what? Degree Degree is equal to what? 4, isn't it? Have you understood? In this same question, another one method also we can write. Okay? Then or, which method easy for you? That one you should follow. Okay? Then shall I explain? Here, f of x plus g of x is equal to, f of x is what is given? 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9. Okay, then this plus, okay, plus, then g of x is equal to what is given? Minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. Have you understood? Here plus is there means no problem, then continuously you should write it. Okay, then equal to 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9. Then plus into minus is what? Minus. Minus what? 6x cube. Then plus into plus is plus, isn't it? Plus 7x. Plus into minus is what? Minus. Minus 15. Then remove the brackets. Okay. Now shall we add? Okay. Then which is the highest power? You check it. Here 16x power 4. Any other term is here? X power 4? No. Isn't it? So 16x power 4. Like that you should write it. Then afterwards check it. X power 3. Isn't it? X power 3. Here x power 3 also only one term is there. So that term also we have to write. Minus 6x cube. Okay. Then here x square term. How many x square term? Only one term. Isn't it? So and very simple this one. Minus 5x square. Okay. Then x power 1 term is only one term. Okay. Then plus 7x. Then constant how many terms? 2 terms are given. Here 9 is there and here minus 15. Okay. Then here plus 9, here minus 15. Isn't it? So 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is what? 6. Isn't it? Which is the greatest number? 15 sign is what? Minus. Isn't it? So minus 6. This is the answer. Okay. Which is easy for you, that one you should follow. Okay. Here degree is what? Degree is 4. Both also same answer only we got. Here 16x power 4, here also like that. Here check it. Then both also same answer. Which method easy for you? That method you should follow. Have you understood that? Now let's see subtraction of polynomials. Okay. Then here subtraction also same like addition. Okay. Then subtraction of polynomial of 2 polynomial is also a polynomial. Understood? Only like term can be subtracted. Okay. Then only like term we can subtract. Okay. Unlike term we cannot subtract. Okay. Then first what is given, write it. Okay. Given p of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 2x cube plus 5. Then q of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay. Then here what is the first method shall we follow? Then here 4x square. Here which is the greatest power? That term first we have to write. Okay. Then 2x cube is there. Okay. Then x square term is which one? X cube. Afterwards x square, isn't it? Plus 4x square. Then afterwards here minus 3x. Okay. Minus x power 1 term is minus 3x. Minus also we have to take. Okay. Minus 3x. This is one term. Okay. Then here plus 5. plus 5. Okay, then afterwards the q of x. Then here q of x is what? X square only given, isn't it? X power 2 only given. So here 4x square is there, down x square you should write it. Then plus 2x, then plus 4. Okay, both also we have to subtract. Subtract means then here second polynomial sign it will change. Okay, minus of this term, minus of this one. Okay, here plus becomes minus. Suppose here plus is there means it will change minus. Here plus is there, isn't it? Then sign it will change, minus we will get. Okay, here also plus is there, so minus. Okay, here suppose minus is there means plus we will get. Okay, then how we can do this one? Here plus is there, isn't it? Which one we change? That sign only we have to check. Okay, here plus is there, here minus. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1, isn't it? 5 minus 4 is 1. Then greatest number sign is plus, that plus write it. Okay, are you clear? Then here minus 3x is there, here minus 2x, minus 2x, both also minus. So we have to add this 2 term. Okay, add this 2 term. Then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5x. Then common sign is both also same sign. That same sign you have to write here. Understood? Then next one, 4x square. Here minus x square. Here positive, here negative. Okay, plus minus is there. So and then both also subtract. Here x square means then what's the coefficient here? 1, isn't it? Then 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 what? X square. Which is the greatest number sign? Plus. That plus we have to write. Very clear? Then 2x cube. Here no values, isn't it? So we have to write 2x cube. Got it? So answer is P of x plus Q of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 1. Okay? So another method also we can do. Shall I explain? Then P of x, sorry, here minus. Okay, P of x minus Q of x. Then P of x minus Q of x is equal to, first P of x what is given, write it. Okay, 4x square minus 3x plus 2x cube, what is given, like that you write it, plus 5. Then this minus symbol, minus of Q of x is x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, then first one 4x square minus 3x plus 2x cube plus 5. Okay, this minus inside we have to multiply. Okay, then minus into plus is minus, isn't it? Then minus x square, then minus into plus is minus, minus 2x, then minus into plus is minus, minus 4. Okay, then equal to, here which is the greatest power? 2x cube. Any other term is there? X cube? No, isn't it? So you have to write that 2x cube. Okay, then afterwards okay, x square term. How many x square terms? Here 4x square, here minus x square. Okay, both also subtract. Here 4 minus 1 is 3, isn't it? 3x square. Sign is here plus. That plus we have to write. Then afterwards here x power 1, isn't it? X power 1 is minus 3x, here minus 2x. X term is minus 3x minus 2x. Two terms are given. Okay. So here minus is there, both also minus. So add this two term. Okay. Then 5x we will get. Here common sign is minus. Okay. Then 5. Next one constant is 5. Here minus 4. Okay. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Plus 1. Okay. Greatest number sign is 1 plus. Okay. Got it? Both also same answer. Which method is easy for you? That method you should follow. That same model, exercise 3.1, sixth sum. Subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Okay. Then subtract the second polynomial. Okay. This is second polynomial. Then from the, here you check it. Then subtraction means from the first. Okay. Here from the first. Okay. Then we have to write first polynomial. Then first we have to write. Okay, from the first, then second one, second polynomial we have to subtract. Okay, first what is given, right here. Then first polynomial, from the first polynomial, isn't it? So then what's the first polynomial? 7x square plus 6x. Here standard form only given. Okay, minus 1. Then minus of this one. Okay, then here 6x is there, so we have to write and then 6x here minus 9. 9 is the constant. Okay, both also shall we subtract? Here minus of, that means the sign it will change here. Second polynomial and then sign it will change, isn't it? And then y means here subtraction. Subtraction, so here minus it will come, then plus become minus. Here minus become plus. Okay. Then here minus 1 and plus 9. Should not take this minus. Okay. Then minus 1 plus what? 9. Isn't it? Both also different sign. So big number minus small number. Okay. Subtract it. Both also subtracted. 9 minus 1 is 8. Big number sign is what? Plus. Isn't it? That plus we have to write. Then afterwards, here 6x minus 6x. 6x minus 6x is what? 0. Okay. Then so we have to write is the plus 0x. Okay. Then 7x square. Here no other terms. Okay. So that 7x square we can write here. Okay. You got the answer. Therefore, P of x minus Q of x is equal to what's answer? 7x square. Here 0x, no need to write here. Okay. Then y means this is no values. 0 into x is 0. Okay. Then leave it. Plus 8. 7x square plus 8 is the answer. Okay. Then one more question. Find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Is it a polynomial? Yes. It's also polynomial. Isn't it? Then what's the degree? Degree of the polynomial is then here which is the greatest power? 2. Isn't it? That's the degree of the polynomial. Very clear? And one more question. Seventh question is what should be added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, our question is what should be added? Okay, which number we have to add here, add this polynomial, then we will get this polynomial. Okay, then solution. Here both also polynomial, isn't it? Both also polynomial. The polynomial means then usually p of x or p of y, like that only we will take, isn't it? Then which polynomial? What should be added? Okay, which polynomial we have to add it to which one? 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. Okay, then equal to, then we get what? 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, then here p of x plus this polynomial, okay, then equal to, we will get this answer. Which polynomial, what should be added? What should be added? This p of x only you should find. Okay, then we need to find p of x. P of x is equal to, here you see equal to, afterwards what is given? Okay, that polynomial we have to write first. 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, plus 15. Then here plus this one polynomial also given, isn't it? This one we have to bring the next sign. Sign it will change. Here plus, then it will come what? Minus. Becomes minus. Okay, then minus of, say, 2x cube plus 6x square, then minus 5x plus 8. Understood? And equal to, here 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Then this minus inside multiply. Okay, minus 2x cube minus 2x cube, then minus into plus is minus 6x square, then minus into minus is plus, isn't it? Plus 5x, then minus into plus is what? Minus 8. Are you clear? Then remove the brackets. Then equal to, then which is the like term? Here 3x cube, here minus 2x cube. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, isn't it? 1x cube, that means x cube. Very clear? Here x square term, compare it. Okay, then minus 2x square, here minus 6x square, both also like term. Here minus minus, both also added, common sign minus. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8x square. Okay, here 6x, then 5x, both also plus, plus sign common. Okay, then 6x plus 5x is what? 11x. Okay, then 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, big number sign is plus, plus 7. Okay, therefore p of x is equal to, p of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus 11x plus 7 is the answer. Got it? Suppose this method for you difficult means, then write one by one. Okay, this polynomial first write it, this standard form write, then this one also write down, both also subtract, the same answer only you will get. Okay, done? From addition and subtraction, shall I give homework for you? Any exercise? Homework. Exercise 3.1. In fifth sum, subdivision 1 and 2. Okay, then sixth one, subtraction. Okay, subtraction, subdivision 2 and 3. Okay, in competitive exam also they will ask this type of question, what should be added or subtracted, this type of questions they will ask. And then like that degree also they will ask. Okay, suppose degree means the degree of the polynomial. Okay, then addition, subtraction, and this type of questions important. Okay, then competitive exam also they will ask this type of questions. Okay, concentrate. If you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, done? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.